Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here, welcome back to the railway. Just a tiny little update video for you today because there's been quite an exciting announcement. Now, after loads and loads of people have asked me to do this, I have finally gotten around to creating an Instagram page for Sam's Trains. And here it is now, you can see it just here. There's nothing much on it right now, but that is all going to change pretty soon. It's going to be filled with updates and maybe even hints for upcoming videos. So it's called SamsTrainsOfficial. If you want to go and follow me on there, please do. And basically what I decided I'm going to do in order to celebrate the launch of this new Instagram page is that I'm going to get you guys to upload pictures of your engines, of your layouts and things, and make sure you tag SamsTrainsOfficial in those photos. And on Sunday's live stream, I'm going to be showing some of those, or if I can, I'm going to be showing all of them. So if you fancy getting a shout out or a mention or your layout or your engine shown on Sunday's live stream, just tag SamsTrainsOfficial in your Instagram photos and I'll be looking at those live. So that's all I've got to say today. I will see you Wednesday for another review, but for the time being, thanks for watching, just a short one today, and I'll see you all soon. Alright, cheers folks.